Hello, welcome everybody. Somebody asked me to do a quick tutorial on how you can stake your Akash, so I'm going to walk you through the process. The first thing you want to do is install a wallet. I would recommend the Kepler wallet, especially if you want to use the Osmosis DEX that has just released on Cosmos a couple of days ago. I know there are so many topics to cover, but I'll go into holidays tomorrow, so this is a video for now, and I will try to do more videos and explaining all that stuff as soon as I have some time. So you want to install the Kepler wallet, so go to your Chrome web store, use the Kepler wallet, install this to Brave. I have already installed it. Once you have done that, you can do that. So now how do we stake our Akash? When you open the Kepler wallet, you should already have your Akash on your wallet. If you don't have any Akash, you basically want to Google two things. First is how to get your hands on Atom. Go to an exchange, buy Atom, put them on your wallet. Then you can transfer your Atom onto the Osmosis DEX. I hope there are already some videos out there who explain this. If it's not explained, bomb me in the comments. I will then rush to your aid and make a video on how to trade on the Osmosis DEX. Once you have your Akash, because you can trade here Akash from Atom to Akash, you do that. Then so before that you have to deposit your Atoms on the exchange. This should be all relatively easy if you have used one of those wallets before. Then you withdraw your Akash. This basically works through an IBC transfer. Then you have your Akash on your wallet. I'm just gonna claim my Akash real quick. So now you see I claimed my Akash. Now I click on stake. This forwards me on the Kepler wallet app. So I have 6.5 Akash now. I click here on manage. I click on delegate. I enter the amount I want to stake. This is 6.4. I usually always keep 0.1 Akash so I can pay transaction fees and stuff. Then I click on delegate, and I hope you are aware that once you stake your Akash, your funds will be locked for at least 21 days. So if you start undelegating, you have to wait 21 days because before your coins become available in your wallet again. At the current point, you get 49% staking rewards. After half a year, those will be diminished by 6%. Thank you guys for watching. If you want any more videos, I will specialize on the whole Cosmos ecosystem, and at some point in the future also on Polkadot. If you have any questions about those, might it be nitty-gritty details about the tech, or just, hey, a basic video about how can I do that, let me know in the comments. I will also very soon open up a Discord for all crypto related topics. Then you can jump over there. If those videos help you, please leave a comment, let me know, because then I know I can delegate more of my time towards those things. So let's just wait until this transaction is true, so you actually see that the tutorials that I'm providing you are working. And there we go. Congratulations. Now you see I have staked 6 Akash more than I had before. Thank you for watching. See you soon, and bye bye.